Hi guys, magandang hapon, tag-ulan na panahon guys. Ayun guys, so gawa na lang muna tayo guys ng cellphone guys. Katatapos lang guys gawa guys. Yan. Kasi yan o, pinalitan ng battery, pinalitan ng LCD guys. Battery at saka LCD. Tapos yung sa charging port niya guys, yan, gawa ni Parot. Yan yung may hawak guys, so si RGM guys, so yan si KHB guys, KHB piso wifi. Ito naman guys, si Kalbo guys. Yan. Ayun guys, so may Kalbo din doon guys, so yan o. Yan, makulan na panahon.